Well, here we are at my son's school. They asked me if I could sew some Santa legs hanging from the ceiling. So here I am with my red felt, my black felt, and some of this nice little woolly material to make some. So if you're like me and like sewing about anything, consider subscribing. And if you're new around here, my name's Irene and I like sewing anything I can possibly sew. And this month is special because it's Christmas, so we're going to be sewing Christmassy stuff, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything. There's gonna be lots of really cool stuff. So that's the idea, to sew some legs that are hanging from the ceiling with their boots and the red stuff that Santa wears. And I want to make one of the legs bended so it gives it a bit more realism. So let's see. Let's fold it, and that way I have one of the seams already done. These things are really fun, not only to see but to sew as well, and felt is ideal for all of these things. It's really versatile and you can create 3D objects quite easily, so it's really enjoyable. So if you haven't, have a go at it. Well, these cuts have been a bit rough, but what I need is just the legs. So this is basically the thighs. So I'm going to make the boots now. And for the boots, let's trace it with a slipper. And I'm going to make a bit of a heel on the sole so it has some detail, some extra something. And for the boot, we need to go around the back of the heel and the front of the toes, only halfway, so we can sew around it and it's complete. So the boots are done and they look a bit big, but I guess that once I fill them in with some filling, they're going to lose that sort of a big shoe effect they have, I guess. But the thing, what I'm thinking is this is gonna be heavy on the ceiling. Not for the ceiling, but that's gonna be heavy just to hang around. I'm going to sew together the back of the trousers now. And the boot to the leg, right sides together, of course. So it's coming together. The problem I think is that I don't know how to sew now the white stuff on top because I won't be able to. So I'm going to glue it with the hot glue gun and then make sure it's sewn and make sure it's secure with some hand stitching. Well, this is more like it, isn't it? I'm quite pleased with it. And now with the rest of the felt, the red one that I didn't have much, I thought I did, I'm going to make like the coat hanging. And for this one, I am going to sew, because I can, the rest of the fluffy woolly material on the edge. Because if I glue it only to one side, it's going to look a bit shabby. So let's do it a bit more properly. And to sew this kind of fabric, the best thing you can have is this breasted foot. It's really good, and it's not for this, it's just so you can see better. It has a little plastic plate and it avoids that all the fluff gets in your way, so you can sew much better all this fluffy stuff. Try it. It does look much better than just gluing it onto one side. And one thing I was thinking, this goes sewn together onto a ceiling. So I was thinking that, and to the coat as well, I was thinking that so when I sew it, it doesn't look weird, like you're not supposed to see the ceiling from here. So I'm going to cut a semicircle here, like if it was the, I don't know, between the trousers, like the crotch area, so it looks a bit more realistic, if you know what I mean. I just cut without looking if I had the feet in the right position, if it was left or right. Imagine going to school doing that badly. I'm gonna sew this and sew this around it. So this looks good. It's quite fun. And then I'm thinking if I should fill it in first or sew the ceiling first. The ceiling is just a piece of felt that has been like all crackled. So I don't know if I sew this first and then leave only a little bit open, it's going to be a nightmare to fill in. So I'm going to fill it in first. Yeah. Looks like I killed someone. So I have this, I haven't filled it up completely because I have to sew this somehow. So I have some felt on top so nothing comes out, but it's looking good. So let's sew by hand then. I ended up using the glue gun because I couldn't manage with I managed with the sewing machine for a little bit, but then it was impossible. So I just said, let's glue it. And here it is. I think it looks quite fun. And now from the ceiling, it looks fun, doesn't it? So let me know down in the comments what you thought. There's still time to do things for Christmas, fun things that children are going to enjoy, and the old ones as well. And don't forget to subscribe, like, hype, and everything so you don't miss anything. And I'll see you next week. Bye. Everything okay there? What do we do now? I don't have any pins. Not pins, but paper pins. Come on, you get down now. That's enough.